Hi, welcome back to CBSE Board Economics. I'm Mr. Damasen here. Today we'll see a numerical from determination of income, employment and output. This is from the consumption and saving function point of view. It's given here, you can see here. Suppose that savings or saving function or propensity to save, saving in the economy is given as minus 40 plus 0.25y. This is nothing but MPS. That means whenever the income goes up, the savings in the economy go up by 0.25y, and I, investment for 60, that remains constant, autonomous investment. It's given to you, suppose that S is equal to minus 40 plus 0.25y and I is equal to 60. Find out, they're asking you lots of things here. Find number 1, autonomous consumption. Number 2, MPC, marginal propensity to consume. Number 3, MPS, marginal propensity to save. Number 4, savings at equilibrium level of income. And next one is 5, consumption at equilibrium level of income. And the last one is income at equilibrium level of income. Let's see one by one. Let's recollect. We have already seen C, consumption function equation. C equation is C bar plus BY. C bar stands for autonomous consumption, B stands for MPC and Y stands for income. And we have seen saving equation minus C bar plus 1 minus B, that is nothing but MPS Y. So given this equation here, saving equation, we can convert this into consumption equation, consumption function. If S is equal to minus 40 plus 0.5y, we can convert it, change it as C is equal to C bar plus BY, where C bar is autonomous consumption, B is MPC and Y stands for income. In this equation, S is equal to minus C bar plus MPS times of Y. So this is MPS. Now given here, now we put it here, values here. Let's find out one by one. Autonomous consumption, that is C bar. C bar is given to you here. We put this equation as 40. We got it from here. Minus 40 becomes 40 plus 0.25 becomes 0.75y. How it became 0.75y here? MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. MPC is equal to 1 minus MPS. MPC is equal to 1 minus 0.25. It becomes 0.75. So now from this equation it all becomes clear. The first one, you have consumption function, that is C bar, that is 40 here, given here minus C bar automatically in the consumption function 40. The second one is MPC 0.75. Now MPS automatically will become 0.25 because MPC plus MPS is equal to 1, or MPC is equal to 1 minus MPS, or MPS is equal to 1 minus MPC. Savings at equilibrium, it's given in the equation, given in the question itself. We know that at the equilibrium level of income, employment and output, S is equal to I. Savings, planned, ex ante, savings are equivalent to planned or ex ante investment. Both are equal. So it's given to you here, S is equal to Y, 60. We picked it up here. At the equilibrium level of income, savings are 60. So S is equal to Y, investment is also 60. Now let's find out the main crux, main important part of this numerical. At equilibrium level of income, S is equal to I. They're asking to find out equilibrium level of income. At the equilibrium, S is equal to I. S stands for savings, I stands for investment. So we put it here, this saving function minus 40 plus 0.25y is equal to 60. The 60 we got it investment here. So when you do this, some minor calculations here, it becomes that is equal to 0.40 minus this one. So this will become 0.25y is equal to 100. Therefore, at the equilibrium level of income, y is equal to 100. We got it here. Equilibrium level of income is 100. And let's find out the last one, consumption at equilibrium level of income. C stands for consumption. C is equal to, we know that equation C bar plus BY. C is equal to 40, we got it from here, plus 0.75y, that is MPC, into y we just find out 400, so ultimately it will become 40 plus 300, it becomes 340. You can cross check your answer whether it's right or wrong, because if C is 340 and equilibrium level of income is 400, then S should be 60. And we find out S here is 60 at the equilibrium level, and we got it from I also, because at the equilibrium level S is equal to I 60. So if you add 340 plus 60, it comes out to be 400. You can cross check it here. So once again, I give you the explanation of this numerical, which is pretty simple. Given to you saving function S is equal to minus C bar plus BY. It's given here minus 40 plus 0.25. So minus 40 becomes, if you take it from the consumption point of view, it becomes 40 C bar. 0.25, if you take it consumption function, apply it, it becomes 0.75 MPC. I is given 60, so at the equilibrium I stands investment is equal to savings. So savings we already got it, 60 here. Now they're asking you to find out lots of things. One is consumption function. So minus 40 becomes 40 C bar. The second one MPC is MPS, we got it here 0.25. So obviously MPC will be 0.75 because MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. Savings at equilibrium, we got it 60 here. At the equilibrium S is equal to I. And now we'll find out ultimately consumption and income at equilibrium level of, first let's find out income. At the equilibrium level of income, S is equal to I. We are balancing the equation here. S stands for minus 40 plus 0.25, we picked it up here, is equal to I 60. So we got the answer. Savings, income at the equilibrium level of income is equal to 400. Consumption, put the values here, C is equal to C bar plus BY, consumption is 340. So at the equilibrium level of income, Y, AD is equal to S, S is C plus I. C we got it 340, I is 60, so 400. So let's balance here. Keep practicing this kind of numerical, that's very important, might come for 6 marks. That's all we have time for today. Till we meet next time, it's goodbye, Saddam sir. Right, work hard for the exams.